We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really concerning, as perhaps you're thinking that it's permanently broken, but there's actually a way hopefully we can go and fix it and go and get it working again. So make sure to full video and listen carefully as we're covering some important things, and let's go and get straight into this. So first of all, what we're going to try doing is plugging it in to charge. So you want to go and grab its cable and you want to go and plug it in like so. Now what you want to do is you want to go and let it charge for just a minute or two, ideally longer, but it doesn't have to be all that long. Then what we're going to try doing is a button combination here. So you want to come onto the side and you're going to go and find the volume decrease and the side button. And you want to go and tap and hold these together like so. And you can release when you go and see the Samsung icon. That took around 15 to 20 seconds for me. It may go and take a little bit longer for you. But then when you see it, you can go and release. And that will go and start. We can go and let it charge if it was very low on charge. But alternatively, what you should do if it still doesn't work is go and remove the cable, and you want to go and check the port here in case there's lint or debris blocking it, which is stopping it from charging properly. So go and clear that out, then you can try charging it again and repeating the same steps that we went and did. Hopefully then it will come back on and the problem's solved. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides.